I made this viral thumbnail in 5 minutes to compare this thumbnail to this that I made with no time limit, and I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how I made this, so you will no longer be able to say that you're too busy to create your own thumbnail. In the beginning, I always start with an idea. I really can't imagine making a thumbnail without creating a sketch of my work. After this, I'm looking for elements for my thumbnail, and I'm preparing everything by cutting out object from the background using a pen tool. When my elements are ready, I can finally go to Field Camera Raw, obtain the best effects. You can find a tutorial to this in the previous videos. After fitting main element to my work, I can add different things like background, text, shapes and much more. And cause I don't have much time, I can't focus on making it look gorgeous. So it looks how it looks. And this is how the thumbnail made in 5 minutes looks like. And you know what? It's not that bad, and if I would make this a couple times more, it could look pretty nice. In no time limit, we're gonna make everything perfect. We prepare every element exactly this time. After the camera raw filter, we're gonna add extra effects like curve and exposition to give extra look. And because we have a lot of time, I can add the extra things like highlights, sunlight effects, and much more. To fit the sunlight effect, I changed the style of the layer to screen mode, and I'm reducing saturation to almost 0. When making thumbnails, it's important to experiment and have fun with your work. So I decided to add smoke effect, and then I deleted this cause it looks like shit, and it already looks better than the previous thumbnail, but I think we can add more. So I added light behind Mikey, dropped the text and shape layer, then I changed some settings, added lights, glow and dot texture. And it started to look beautiful. Finally, as the graphic design Bible says, don't finish your work before adding the camera raw filter, so I basically cooked something out. I increased contrast, shadows, light, white and reduced black. Then I add some curve changes, I added some color grading effects, and this is how it looks compared to a thumbnail made in 5 minutes. Much better, isn't it?